BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachiti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 1 of season 3. Today's word is ubiquitous. The meaning of this word is something that is present, appearing or found everywhere. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word ubiquitous. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. The word is spelled as Ubiquitous. Nowadays, you can see mobile phones everywhere. Almost everyone is using them. Who doesn't use a mobile phone? Mobile phones are seen at railway stations, bus stops, cafes, malls, and everywhere else. Something that can be seen or found everywhere is called ubiquitous. Mobile phones are so ubiquitous that everyone knows about them. People use them all the time. They click selfies and chat with friends. They watch YouTube videos and listen to podcasts like the one you're listening right now. They use mobile phones frequently. People spend hours and hours on their phones. They can be found all the time. Mobile phones are ubiquitous. You will now listen how we can use the word ubiquitous in 8 different forms in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. It's a fact that God is present everywhere. Now we know something that is present everywhere is ubiquitous. So we can say that it is a fact that God is ubiquitous. Example number 2 of 8. France is a tourist destination. One can see many lovely hotels, restaurants and cafes there. Now, how will you use the word ubiquitous here? You can say, lovely hotels, restaurants and cafes are ubiquitous in France. Example number 3 of 8. Delhi is the capital of India. And during campaigning for elections, people can spot ministers at various locations. How to use ubiquitous in this sentence? Let's say, Delhi is the capital of India and VIPs are ubiquitous during campaigning for elections. Example number 4 of 8. iPhones are quite expensive, but people are crazy about them. You can find a lot of people who have an iPhone. That means, even though iPhones are expensive, they are ubiquitous. At BM English Speaking, we conduct English fluency courses at our training centers in Mumbai. And yes, we also conduct online courses in English fluency for you. To know more about these courses, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Do you use Facebook? Almost everybody uses it. Now Facebook is found everywhere because Mark Zuckerberg didn't give up. Now you know where to use the word ubiquitous. Yes, you are right. You can say Mark Zuckerberg worked hard and made Facebook ubiquitous. Example number 6 of 8. You must have seen people putting pictures of Starbucks coffee mugs on Facebook and other social sites. The logo appears everywhere. So, its logo has become Ubiquitous all over the world. Example number 7 of 8. We all get those fake WhatsApp messages all the time. They can be found on many social platforms. Can you use the word ubiquitous here? Let's try. Nowadays, fake news is ubiquitous on social networking sites. Example number 8 of 8. Hey, try this. What is present everywhere on Valentine's Day? You are right. It's the emotion of love. So you can say love is ubiquitous on Valentine's Day. Do you know anything that is ubiquitous? Well, if you do, make a note and share it with friends and family and shine like a celebrity. So today we learn ubiquitous, which means something that is present, appearing or found everywhere. Can you frame 3 sentences and type in our comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to improve your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. Do subscribe to our podcast, BM English Speaking Radio, and stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons.